It was a dark and stormy night in Enfield, England. In a small house on the outskirts of town, a family was about to experience a terrifying nightmare.
The Hodgson family, consisting of Mother Peggy and her 3 children, Margaret, Janet, and Billy, were a typical family, but their lives were about to change forever.
It all started when Janet, the youngest child, began to hear strange noises in her bedroom at night. Doors would open and close on their own, and objects would move around without being touched.
The family quickly realized that something strange was happening in their home. They tried everything they could to stop the activity, but nothing worked.
Came off the floor, or maybe a ½ inch, I should say, and I saw it slide off to the right, about 3.5 to 4 feet before it came to rest. I checked to see whether or not it could possibly have slid along the floor. I placed a marble on the floor to see whether or not the marble would go in the same direction as the chair did, and it didn't roll at all. I checked for wires under the cushion of the chair, and I could find no explanation at all.
Peggy Hodgson was terrified. She didn't know what to do. She called the police, but they couldn't find anything wrong. She called the church, but they couldn't help either.
Finally, Peggy Hodgson decided to call in Maurice Grosse, a paranormal investigator from the Society for Psychical Research. Grosse was skeptical at first, but he soon realized that something supernatural was happening in the Hodgson house.
Grosse spent several months investigating the case, and he gathered a wealth of evidence, including recordings of the poltergeist's voice and photographs of objects moving around on their own.
The slipper was thrown across the room and hit the door as I was holding the door. The white slipper hit the door as I was holding the door.
He hit me on the leg. Where's the other one?
The other one's over here.
What sort of a case is this in your experience?
Well, I think this is probably the best case this century. In fact, as far as documentation is concerned, it may be the best case of all time.
What special aspects make it so?
Well, the entity itself has been very, very violent.
Now, what happened in this bedroom?
Well, I heard a noise downstairs. I come up, and there was the eldest girl on the floor. But the other one's missing. So I look under this bed, I look under this one, and as I stand up, I see it. There she is, across this radio, one leg in the air, and her head hanging down. Just to prove that I wasn't mad, I yelled for my wife to come up to see what I have just seen. But she was asleep.
Very good. Let me hear you say my name again. Come on, let me hear you say my name. Come on, my name's Maurice. Let me hear you say it. Maurice.
That was the first time we heard the voice, and since then we've been hearing it again and again, and it's been getting louder and louder.
What about the voices? When did the voices start?
December the 12th.
December the 12th.
Yes.
And how did they start?
Well, one night Mr. Grove was talking about it about 8:30. He said, all we need now is the voices to talk.
Gross had the opportunity to interview the Hodgson family extensively, and he became convinced that they were telling the truth about what they were experiencing.
Despite Gross's efforts, the poltergeist's attacks became increasingly aggressive. The Hodgson family eventually had no choice but to flee their home. The Enfield poltergeist remains one of the most famous and well-documented cases of paranormal activity in history. It is a story that continues to fascinate and terrify people to this day.